Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am NkJoySweet. You are welcome to my humble and authentic kitchen. If you've not subscribed to my channel and you are just coming across my video for the first time, hit the button notification to all so you can get notified anytime I upload new video. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Much appreciated. Much love. And thanks to all my subscribers and to all my return viewers. God bless you. Today's video, cook with me Nigerian authentic beef stew with chicken. I have chicken and beef, and they are thoroughly washed and nicely cleaned. So I'm going to transfer all the washed chicken and beef into my cooking pot. And also, you can stick around to see more of me. Check out some of my video on my community. Any of my recipe you love, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Feel free to ask your question. Drop me your question anytime, any day. So now I will season with seasoning cube and stir in my chopped onion and salt to taste, thyme, curry powder, onion powder and nutmeg. So I'm going to add enough water to cook the chicken and beef, and I will allow to cook until it's done and soft. Not too soft, not too strong. This is homemade curry powder. Guys, this my homemade curry powder is giving. The smell is giving. It's just exactly the same curry powder they sell at the shop. The same smell. There is no difference. I see no difference. Man, God bless my handwork. Don't just only subscribe without supporting by liking and commenting. Please, it means so much to me. I have chopped onion, salt, diced pepper, tomato paste. I have parboiled my tomatoes with salt. So right now I'm going to heat up the vegetable oil. Then I will stir fry the chopped onions and diced pepper together. So now I'm going to stir in the tomato paste. To have a better taste of stew, always start by frying your tomato paste. This is very important. To have the best quality of the taste of your stew, start by frying your tomato paste and always parboil your tomatoes with salt. It is not just by making stew and the stew is looking good with groundnut oil and the taste of the stew is not giving. It's not by attractive. No. If your stew is attractive, also let it have a good taste. So right about now I'm going to stir in the already parboiled tomatoes. Guys, believe me, my stew is always giving. Why I always boil my tomato. Right now I'm going to pour in the chicken broiled. Why I always parboil my tomatoes with salt? Because I don't want to have any taste of soured tomatoes. So that is why I always parboil my tomatoes. So right now I'm going to cover the pot and allow the stew to cook and simmer. So now I'm going to add 2 seasoning cubes, and salt to taste. Onion powder, nutmeg, thyme, and curry powder. So now I'm going to add all the fried chicken and fried beef. Guys, check out this stew. If you like my recipe, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Drop me your beautiful comment. And thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.